Imagine a world where you never have to worry about forgetting your keys or fumbling through your bags and pockets to search for it. Another scenario is, I bet many of you can relate. Picture this. Um, During family gatherings or stuff like that, you walk into your room hoping for a moment of peace and quiet, but only to find your other family members, cousins, making themselves comfortable at home in your bedroom. It can be quite annoying, isn't it? But there is a solution that will revolutionize the way you manage your personal space. So, good evening to Dr. Zulkifli and fellow class members. My name is Miran Muhammad Lutfil Hadi, and I will introduce my Arduino Project lab, which I call a Smart Room. So, with the Smart Room, basically, your door becomes an automated gateway to convenience and peace of mind. So how does this work, you ask? So let me break it down for you. Equipped with sensors and actuators, the smart room detects your presence as you approach the door. As if by magic, the door smoothly opens, granting you access to your personal space without the need for physical keys. Okay, so this smart room utilizes a network of sensors strategically placed at the entrance of the bedroom. These sensors detect the number of people entering the room and communicate with an LED display provide real-time occupancy information. The LED display mounted outside the bedroom acts as a smart indicator. So basically it visualizes, it communicates the maximum number of people like that allowed inside your room at any given time. So as you can see right now on the screen, here is the schematic diagram for my Arduino project, which is the automated entrance controlling system. So let me open the source codes. So here is the codes for the Arduino project. So basically, my Arduino project consists of components like ultrasonic sensors, servo motor, ultrasonic distance sensor or servo motor, buzzer, two LEDs, one green and red, green for entering and red for leaving the room, two PIR sensor, one is detect for people entering and one is for detect people going out the bedroom. So here is the LCD display. So let's go through the code and I will explain its functionality. So basically, line 1 and 2 is the libraries included in the code. The first one, the line 1 is for the controlling the LCD display, and 2, as you can guess it, it's for controlling the servos. So line 4 until line 19 is the variables declared. The variable names are self-explanatory and it represents the pins and states for various components used in the Arduino project. So line 5 and 6, it's where it mentions a trigger and echo pin. Obviously is for the ultrasonic distance sensor, which is connected to port 10 and port 9. 7 and 8, line 7 and 8 is for the LEDs, and 11 is for the buzzer connecting to port 13 right here, and line 12 and line until line 16, line 15 is for the PIR sensor. So it's basically connected right here. So A0 is represent port 15, and the INTI and PR is basically the input power. PR is for power. Okay. In the setup function, setup, the pin modes are set for input and output pins. The LCD display is initialized and the servo motor is attached. So here we set up the pin mode. Basically, I can just put inside the IN and INPR, but due to the laziness, I just put the number right here to set up for the input and output. LCD display, so voltage at 8, LCD begin at port 16 and 2. So in the loop function right here, the main logic of the project is implemented. The LCD display is cleared and the input pins for detecting people entering and exiting a read. Based on inputs, the people variable is incremented or decremented. In other words, people leaving and entering, detecting people leaving and entering the room. So, and its value is constrained between 0 and 50. If the number of people is equal to or greater than 4, the LCD display shows "Please wait" message. The buzzer generates a tone and the red light is turned on. But if the number of people is less than or equal to 5, the LCD display shows a "Please come in" message. The buzzer is turned off and the green LED is turned on. So to see that, we start the simulation. Okay. So this one is PRS sensor for sensor for detecting people coming into the bedroom. So just slightly move the mouse indicator. You can see it in the LCD display right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If as you can recall, if people is equal to or greater than 4, the buzzer will turn on and the LED this LED will turn into the red LED will turn on and the green LED will turn off. So let's try that. Let's turn it off for a while. And if people leaving the room, the buzzer will automatically turn off and the green LED will be turning back on. So the ultrasonic function right here on at line 74 until 79 is called to measure the distance using the ultrasonic sensor right here. The servo motor is then set to natural position 90 degrees. The servo, if the measured distance is less or equal to 100, the servo motor is rotated to a different position to 70 degrees. So let's try that. So if we move the indicator, the indicator is representing the people. If you move within the sensor area, the servo will be automatically rotated. As you can see in the screen, it basically rotates. So next is the ultrasonic function. It handles the measurement of distance using the ultrasonic sensor. So it sets the trigger pin, I set the trigger pin to low and waits for 2 microseconds. And also set the trigger pin to high for 10 microseconds. And then sends it back to low. So the duration for the echo pulse is then measured using the pulse in function, and the distance is calculated based on the speed of sound. So my friends, imagine the joy of reclaiming your personal space during family gatherings with the automatic and also with the automated entrance control system. You basically do not have to worry about losing your keys, such thing like that. You can enjoy the company of your loved ones without compromising your comfort. So it's time to say goodbye to crowded bedrooms and hello to a new era of intelligent living space. That's all from me. Thank you.